Hi everyone, I'm Tejas Ewing. I'm a filmmaker and the creator of Backpack Filmmaking, Southeast Asia's first mobile phone filmmaking course. I created this course because I wanted any beginner to be able to pick up the skills that they need to make a short film with a story that they care about, with equipment that fits only in a small backpack. I created this course for anyone with a passion for film, filmmaking, storytelling, acting, or just people who want to learn a new skill. It's perfect for beginners because all you need is your own mobile phone and a passion for filmmaking. The course is ideal for anyone interested in the subject because every participant will have their own completed short film by the end of the course. So all I have to say is, don't delay, join today.